If you ask any new mom what her goal is for her baby, it's usually pretty simple. They want the baby to be comfortable, to eat, to poop, and to sleep. And you really want that milk that you just fed them to stay inside their stomach and not end up all over you, your shirt, or your baby. Because I know that's extremely frustrating and it tends to be really common. And unfortunately, reflux is usually looked at in the wrong way, and we need to get down to the bottom of it and really look at the root cause instead of the symptoms that are there. So structurally, there is an esophagus that has to swallow the food, and a sphincter that has to open and shut, usually stay shut after you've eaten the food. So it could be that it's underdeveloped, or the brain is unable to communicate fully with it. There is a brain-gut connection. As you know, the nervous system is in charge of digesting the food, of moving it through. There's smooth muscles, there's the sphincters, there's the digestive process, and then it's got to be able to move through the gut, absorb the nutrients, and all the way out. And when there's a problem in there, moms are experiencing the problems the most, and it's extremely frustrating. Most moms come into my practice overanalyzing their diet, overanalyzing what they're doing wrong. Like, I've cut this out of my diet, I've changed this, maybe they're allergic to that, I've positioned them this way on the breast, or we've tried the bottle and pumping. And moms are overwhelmed and stressed, and typically the baby is too. And if you remember, if a baby's in fight or flight and mom's in fight or flight, they're in a state of protection. And when you're in a state of protection, the gut is turned down. So neurologically, we are taking a look at, hey, is the brain and the body communicating? Is it able to get the food through that gut? And is there something called dysautonomia? That autonomic nervous system is dysregulated and unable to fully digest the food, unable to fully move it through the process, and your baby is struggling needlessly. We've got to get down to the bottom of it, and typically it is from the stress of pregnancy and birth that's gone undetected, and instead you're seeing and dealing with the symptoms. So if this is you, or this is a mom that you know that they're dealing with this, throw up a question, write us a little message, a DM. We'd love to help answer your questions, and let them know that chiropractic, especially a highly trained pediatric chiropractor, is very gentle. They know what they're doing. They're going to measure the stress with a non-invasive scanner and know exactly how to help your child and know where this is coming from, so that you can continue to enjoy your baby. They can eat, sleep, and poop, and so can you.